Hi, good morning everybody. We're over here looking at the Grumichama on day 2, and we are really noticing that the bees have found the Grumichama tree. Look over here, you can see the bees. Now you gotta understand, I'm in an urban environment. I live in Davie, Florida, and we don't really have a beehive that's set up. So this is just nature. I have no idea, obviously, where these bees are coming from, but the bees they have found the Grumichama tree, and they're enjoying working these flowers here, working real busy. You can see them flying around as I walk around the tree. I hope you can see some of these bees. They're actually working from the bottom on the top. They're everywhere. I'll try to pause so you can kind of see them around the tree. But let's see if there's any up along the top. That bird's nest is still in the center of the tree, way in the back over here. It's a nice little bird's nest hiding in there, but no birds are in there. And then let's see, we got a lot of the flower buds are starting to open up on the opposite side here, on this side over here. And as we go around the tree, we'll see if there's any more bees. Yep, there's a couple more bees down on this side. Flying around, working it. It's quite a few. They're busy. They're leaving me alone, which is a good thing. Here's one over here. So it looks like we're going to have a hell of a crop of Grumichama. And these are really, really nice, tasty fruit. They're from Brazil, and they're not a true cherry like the Bing cherry, but they're very similar, and they have a sweet flavor. All right, everyone, have a great day.